Wagwan people, welcome to the channel Cooking with Remodread. Yes people, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful curry pork with some coconut milk people. Yes people, some nice and wonderful curry pork with coconut milk. So without further ado, let's get into this video and make this nice and wonderful meal. Yeah man. Okay, now I got my pork right here. This is a lot of pork, I'm not gonna use all of this. But anyway, let's go ahead and season this. Go ahead and add my seasoning to the pork. Season your pork with any seasoning that you have in your cabinet. Don't gotta be the same one that I'm using. It's gonna be so good, so amazing. Definitely want to try this out. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a mind. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends, I like losing a different variety of seasoning. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. Now some jerk seasoning. I don't got a lot in there. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Anyway. Won't bother hiding my bruises. Don't want much anyway. Go ahead and rub this up. Get all that seasoning all over this pork, people. Yes, people, look at this. So good, so amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of this one. And also a little bit more of this one. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and there's yes, people. Okay, now let's move on to the curry powder. This is brand new, so I gotta open this. Okay. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. Let's go ahead and get the curry powder and all the pieces. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. Go ahead and rub it up. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. This is, oh look at this. It's kind of dry. I want a little bit of water. Just to kind of make it wet a little bit. Okay. Add a little bit more curry powder. So the reason why I added water on there because it was kind of dry. It feels a little bit dry, so I added the curry. I mean the water to kind of get some moisture. Yes, people. Oh my God, look at this, people. Nice and good, wonderful. As I said, I'm not gonna cook all of this because this is a lot of pork. I'm gonna go ahead and take some out, put it up in the fridge, and cook it maybe another day, and cook some of it. Okay. Okay, I want to add some oil to the pot. Okay, I'm going to add some oil to the pot. I'm going to get it hot, then I'll put in my pork. Okay, I'm now going to add some curry powder to burn my curry. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the pork in. Go ahead and cover them up. Okay, now I got my onions and pepper right here. Let's go ahead and cut these out. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that. This is cool. Also, some potatoes. I almost forgot about the potatoes. We have some potatoes in. Totally almost forgot about this. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts over tracks. Speaking fast, not the roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you to say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it will still to last. Yes, people. I'm also going and adding the potatoes. Go ahead and these potatoes. Yes, people. Okay. Now the ball that you season it in, go ahead and add some water in it. The ball that you season your pork in, add some water in it. Okay, this is the bowl that I season my pork in. I add some water in it. Go ahead and pour it in. So you cook this pork down. Cook this pork up. Let's do it. Now let's go ahead and cover this up. Okay, let's go ahead and check on this. Let's people look at this. So good, so amazing, people. See there. Okay, let's people. Now let me go ahead and test my pork if it's cooked. Come on, you get in there. I'm gonna cook a little bit more and then it should be there. Yeah, man. Cook a little bit more, that should be done. Okay, people. Now let's go ahead and add in our peppers and onions. Yes, people. Add our peppers and onions in. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add in my coconut milk. Shake it up before putting it in. Let's see, shake the coconut milk before adding it in. Just let's stir this up. One thing. And now we're gonna let this cook. Okay, people, let's go ahead and check on it. Yes, people, oh my god, look at this. So good. So amazing. Oh, yes, people. But I want to let this go down a little bit, dry down a little bit more. I think it's okay, but I want to go a little bit more. Then I should do that. Yes, people. Nice and good. Wonderful. Oh my god, look at this. So good. So amazing. Yes, people, I eat this in some nice and wonderful curry pork with coconut milk. Oh my god, look at this. Some nice and wonderful curry pork with coconut milk. Until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe, and I most definitely catch you in the next one. Until next time, I am out of here.